Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's delicious, crunchy, and very easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. I'm using some homemade tortillas, which I'm cutting into circles and then into half circles. You can buy already pre-made circles and just cut them in half. Now let's prepare the tortilla cones. You have to fold it like this and add a toothpick. Let's set them on a baking sheet and send them into the oven preheated to 220 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. When they're all done and hot, let's take out the toothpicks. First of all, let's prepare the fillings. Let's take out the orange peel and cut the orange slices into films and then into small pieces. Let's add 50 grams of crab sticks into little circles and 1 boiled egg into little squares. I'm also adding some parsley, finely cut. Also, I'm using 70 grams of corn, and let's add all the ingredients into the bowl. The corn, the egg, the crab legs, the orange, the parsley, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Let's mix it all together and the filling is done. Let's put the filling into little cones and plate it. It's all ready to try this delicious snack. It's easy to make, very fast, and delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.